Our train journey would take us from Patna to Calcutta, near to the border of Bangladesh. As it turns out, the train was delayed by 9 whole hours. We're a couple of hours into the journey, the sun's setting, it'll be dark within probably half an hour, and perhaps we'll arrive at 10 o'clock at night. So we're on our way to Calcutta. Unfortunately, because the train is 9 hours late, we know that we'll be arriving in the dark once again. One of the funny things travelling on this train is it will stop at a station, and because all the windows are open to keep it cool, the flies will come in, they'll go everywhere, and then they'll start biting you. It looks like some big bug has flown in the window just over there. There's all these people crowding around looking very concerned about it.